Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make more kefir grains. Kefir grains are a fascinating, living culture of beneficial bacteria and yeasts that thrive on fresh milk. When cared for properly, these grains will naturally multiply, providing you with an ever-growing supply. This process allows you to share with friends, make larger batches, or even have a backup supply. Let's dive into the simple steps to encourage their growth and ensure a healthy, abundant culture. To encourage your kefir grains to multiply, the type of milk you use is crucial. Fresh, whole dairy milk provides the ideal nutrients for their growth. A general guideline is to use about 1 tablespoon of kefir grains for every 2 cups of milk. This ratio ensures the grains have enough food without being overwhelmed. Remember to change this milk every 24 to 48 hours, depending on your room temperature and desired fermentation speed, to keep them well-fed and happy. Creating the right environment is key for robust grain growth. Kefir grains thrive at a consistent room temperature, ideally between 68 and 72 degrees Fahrenheit. Use a clean glass jar for fermentation, as glass is non-reactive and easy to clean. Cover the jar with a breathable cloth, secured with a rubber band, to allow air circulation while keeping contaminants out. Also, ensure your fermenting grains are kept away from direct sunlight, as this can negatively impact their delicate balance. Over time, you will observe your kefir grains visibly increasing in both size and number. This is a clear sign of successful multiplication. When you see larger clumps, gently separate them to create more individual grains, which encourages further growth. If you have more grains than you need, you can store the excess. Simply place them in a small amount of fresh milk in a sealed container in the refrigerator. They will remain viable for up to 2 weeks, ready for your next batch or to share.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.